Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time.
To replace the stator wire harness in your LG washer, you will need an impact driver or ratchet, 17mm socket, 10mm socket, blue thread lock, channel lock pliers, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer and turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the water supply lines. Be prepared for water to spill. Unthread the 4 screws securing the rear cover. Push the cover up and pull out to remove. Use the ratchet or impact driver to loosen and remove the mounting bolt and washer. Pull the rotor off the tub shaft. This may be difficult. Unthread the 5 screws securing the wire harness, bracket, and grounds. Remove the 3 bolts securing the stator. Unplug the wire harness. Remove the 2 blue retaining clips. Remove the twist tie and uncover the plugs, then detach the plug from the main harness. To install the new stator wire harness, connect the plug to the main harness, then cover the wire with the plastic and attach the twist tie. Snap in the 2 retaining clips. Plug in the harness. Position the stator on the tub. And secure it with the 3 bolts. Rethread the 5 screws securing the wire harness, bracket, and grounds. align the rotor on the tub shaft. Apply blue thread locking fluid to the rotor bolt and insert the bolt and washer, then tighten. Slide the rear cover into position. Rethread the 4 screws.
Rethread the water supply lines over the hot and cold inlets. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply.
Plug the power cord back in.
And your washer should be ready for use.